Okay, so determinants 3 by 3. Okay, let's take a determinant like this: A11, A12, A13, 21, 22, 23, 31, 32, 33. Okay, how can we compute this? Okay, there are two methods. I'm only going to show you one because I think it's going to be the most intuitive one for you guys. And it's the following. The first thing we do, I will show an example with numbers later, okay? The first thing we do is copying the first two columns here, okay? So A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32. Okay, so once I copy this, the determinant 3 by 3 is computed by multiplying this diagonal. Okay, now in 2 by 2 determinants, what we were doing was computing the product of the main diagonal, and then we subtracted the value from the secondary diagonal. Here it's the same, but we have 3 main diagonals and 3 secondary diagonals. Okay, so the first main diagonal is this one, the second main diagonal is this one, and the third main diagonal is that one. Okay, and then the secondary diagonals are this one, this, and this. Okay, main diagonal, main diagonal, main diagonal, secondary diagonal, secondary diagonal, secondary. Okay, so this is going to be A11 times A22 times A33. That's the first main diagonal, plus the second one, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1. Third one, 3, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, minus the secondary diagonals. Okay, 1, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1. 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, and 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3. Okay, first diagonal, second diagonal, third diagonal, first secondary diagonal, second secondary diagonal, third secondary diagonal. Okay, and here you have that. Let's do it with a determinant with numbers. Okay, for instance, this one I have here, which is good because there it has some zeros, which is going to make our work shorter. Okay, so this is 9, 5 minus 6. 9, 5 minus 6, 6, 0, 0, 9, 3, 6. Okay, first step, we copy the first two columns here. 9, 6, 9, 5, 0, 3. And then we start computing. First main diagonal, second main diagonal, third main diagonal. First secondary diagonal, second secondary diagonal, third secondary diagonal. Okay, so 9 times 0 times 6 is 0. Okay, it's 0. The first main diagonal is 0. 5 times 0 times 9 is 0, 2. Second main diagonal. Minus 6 times 6 times 3 is not 0. Minus 6 times 6 is 36 times 3 minus 108, okay? Minus 6 times 6 times 3, it's 36, minus 36 times 3, which is minus 108. And now I'm going to subtract the secondary diagonals. Minus 6 times 0 times 9 is 0. 9 times 0 times 3 is 0 again. And then 5 times 6 times 6 is 30 times 6, which is 180. Okay? Main diagonals, secondary diagonals, 0, 0, 5 times 6 times 6, 180. And now I compute this, which is minus 108 minus 180. Minus because there's a negative sign here. And this gives me minus 288. So this determinant gives me the number minus 288. Okay, I'm going to solve a second example. Okay, which is even shorter. Okay, and it's 0, 0, 6, 1, 4, 3, minus 1, minus 4, 0. Okay, so once again, first step, I copy the first two columns. 0, 0, 1, 4, minus 1, minus 4. Okay, once I copied the first two columns, I'm going to compute the main diagonals. 0 times 4 times 0, 0. 0 times 3 times minus 1, 0. 6 times 1 times minus 4, minus 24. Okay, and then the secondary diagonals. I'm going to subtract them. 6 times 4 times minus 1, minus 24. 0 times 3 times minus 4, 0. 0 times 1 times 0, 0. Okay, so this gives me minus 24 minus minus 24, which is plus 24. So this determinant gives me 0. Okay, and the result for that determinant 3 by 3 is 0. I'm going to stop recording here.